The teachers under the banner of the Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya, Fastom, have been enduring the storm of hopelessness as they continue to fight for their rights. Camping just behind the seat of administration in the state, the teachers have been sacrificing the comfort of home only to keep listening to false promises of the government on granting their long-pending demands. On the 1st of July 2022, the teachers' hopes were slightly raised when representatives were called by the state government for talks. However, after the much-awaited meeting, their hopes were once again plunged into oblivion as the government buys time for 101% approval of demands. While the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Fastom, had raised their hopes for a while, he also termed their agitation as politically driven. Reacting to his statement, the spokesperson of Fastom, reminded the government of what a democracy is and also added that the visits of representatives of almost all political parties, pressure groups, individuals and all concerned citizens does not mean that the Federation is being politically led.
So for the very first time, we are seeing in the very same place, all of these people in the society, they are coming together. And Fastom, this is not political. This is the change that we want to bring. A change where we come together as one, a change where we understand each other, we help each other, and we grow together. This is what we want the politics of Meghalaya to look like. If you think this is political, if you say that this is political, then yes, Fastom, this is exactly the face of politics that we want to see in Meghalaya. We're all people, irrespective of what sections you come together, you live together, you help each other. Whether you are college teachers, the college teachers have also come. Whether you are the deficit teachers have come. Whether you are people who are working in the government, the people who are working in the government have also come. And every single human being with a heart and a soul, every single person in Meghalaya has come. This is what we want a government to look like. A government just like what Abraham Lincoln has once said. Democracy is a government of the people, for the people, and by the people. This is something that we have to live by. This is democracy. And this is what we are living with. This is what we strive to become. To become a government. Although we are not part of government. To become one with the government. Just like the statement that I made earlier. The relationship between the government and the people, the citizens, is that of a husband and wife. There will be conflicts, there will be misunderstandings, there will be times where the husband and the wife will not talk to each other for weeks, for months maybe, but they still choose to live together.